Hello and welcome to the RSRNurburg YouTube channel. As you already know, we are running quite successful our standard versus modified program since the last couple of years. But for 2018 we have planned something really special. We're gonna convert a couple of cars into RSR Edition cars. Here in the background we have our 2017 Golf Mach 7 GTI facelift. And with help of our partners like Recaro, BBS, Michelin, KW, Winmax and many more, we're gonna convert this car into a really cool track car. We have some really amazing stuff planned for this project. If you want to see the whole transformation process, stay tuned for the next couple of weeks. Before we're going to start with the upgrade procedure, we have to set the baseline. In the first step, we're going to take the car to DTE, where we can strap it on the dyno and see how much power it actually makes.
We measured the Golf GTI on our dyno. In stock performance, it has 243 horsepower.
Is this a good number?
It's a perfect number. It's a very strong car. In our next step, we will have a look at our tuning performance kits.
Now that you have seen this, let's take the car to do some real-world performance testing on the normal road. We will accelerate the car from 0 to 100 and from 80 to 160 to see how fast it is. I'm stopped here, I have an empty road ahead of me. So let's put the car in sport mode, activate the race navigator, see if the launch control is working. And yes, and put my foot down and let the car accelerate. Until 100, what's the time? 6.2, which is really fast. Finally, in order to finish the baseline, we have to put the car on the scales to see how heavy it is. And the total weight with a full fuel tank, it's 1,342.5 kilogram. The car is quite good balanced. We have a corner weight of 50.4 to 49.6%. This is quite a lot of weight for a small hot hatch, but let's see how much we can remove. The first thing you should do when you're building a track car, you have to create the perfect seating position. We're gonna do this by adding a set of Recaro pole position bucket seats. Additional to that, we are installing a club sport roll bar. And to make the package complete, we're also adding a set of 4-point harnesses. But to be able to install all these parts in our Golf, we have to remove the stock interior first. And this is what we're gonna do right now. As you can see, the most of the stock interior is already removed. We have decided to leave the side trim and the stock belts in, and now we have enough space to install the roll bar. We have already mounted the roll bar and the 4-point harnesses in the car. To complete the puzzle, we just have to add the pole position seat. Behind me on the table, we have a Recaro pole position and a stock seat. We want to compare the weight, and it's quite interesting to see that the weight of a stock seat is 24 kg and the pole position already mounted with rails and side mounts is just half of it, which is 12 kg. That means just by putting the Recaro pole position seats, we save already 24 kg. And now I'm taking the seat and put it in the car. This was the first episode of our new YouTube series. If you enjoyed it, like it, share it with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, just comment below and we will answer your questions in one of the next videos. In the next episode, we are visiting our friends at the KW factory and we will have an exclusive look behind the scenes of the manufacturing process of a KW Club Sport suspension. So stay tuned for the next 4 weeks. We are dropping a new episode every Friday.